Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your account number and routing number in PNC app. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, sign in with your user ID and password. At the middle part of the screen, you will see a section for Virtual Wallet. In this case, I have my virtual wallet spend. To proceed, tap on your account. On this screen, you will see an option for Account Actions. Tap on Account Actions. Under Account Actions, you will see an option for Account and Routing Numbers. Tap on Account and Routing Numbers. Before you proceed, you need to verify first your identity. To start, select your phone number. Next, select a verification method either to get the passcode by text, or verify by phone. Tap on the option you wish to select. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Submit. And now you will see your routing and account number. That's how you view your account number and routing number in PNC app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.